Meow for me.
Now where's my one Robux?
Hey everybody, what we are doing today is we are going to be doing some trolling on Please Donate. So as you can see everybody, so far I have donated about 2,258 Robux, and today we are going to be donating some more.
57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, oh, 67.
Two bad bitties on my left and my right. What you gonna do? Yeah, you're gonna cause a fight. I can't choose between the left or the right. Yo, boy with the hat, you be looking kinda whack. Braces on your teeth, boy, I bet you get a smack. What you gonna do with your hair so long? You be looking stupid. Gonna hit a bomb.
Ladies, I'm trying to do my work today.